Artificial intelligence is advancing at a rapid pace, and with every breakthrough, a new wave of anxiety sweeps through the workforce. Many people are asking themselves, will AI replace my job? Today, we're diving deep into this question to uncover the truth that often goes unspoken. We'll explore what AI can really do, which jobs are most at risk, and how you can prepare for the future. Let's start by understanding why this topic is more relevant than ever. Before we can talk about AI replacing jobs, we need to clarify what artificial intelligence actually is. AI refers to machines or software that can perform tasks which typically require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, making decisions, or even driving car. But not all AI is created equal. Some systems are highly specialized, while others are more general. Understanding this distinction is key to knowing which jobs are at risk. AI is already all around us. From the recommendations you see on your favorite shopping website to the voice assistants on your phone, artificial intelligence is quietly shaping our daily routines. These technologies are designed to make life easier, but they also hint at the potential for automation in many industries. Let's look at some common examples you might not even notice. People worry about AI taking their jobs. What they're really concerned about is automation. Automation means using technology to perform tasks without human intervention. This isn't new. Factories have used machines for decades, but AI is making automation smarter and more widespread. The question is, which tasks are most vulnerable? Some jobs are more likely to be automated than others. Roles that involve repetitive tasks like data entry, assembly line work, or basic customer service are especially vulnerable. AI can perform these tasks faster, more accurately, and without getting tired. If your job involves routine activity, it's wise to start thinking about how you can adapt. On the other hand, jobs that require creativity, emotional intelligence, or complex problem solving are much harder for AI to replace. Think of roles like therapists, teachers, or artists. These professions rely on uniquely human skill that machines still struggle to replicate. If your work involves connecting with people or thinking outside the box, you're in a safer spot for now. Humans have qualities that AI can't easily mimic. Empathy, intuition, and ethical judgment are just a few examples. These traits are essential in many fields, from healthcare to leadership. While AI can analyze data and make predictions, it can't replace the human touch that's often needed to make the right decision. Instead of seeing AI as a threat, consider it a tool that can help you work smarter. Many jobs are evolving, not disappearing. For example, AI can handle tedious tasks, freeing up your time for more meaningful work. By learning to use AI, you can boost your productivity and stay ahead in your career. Entire industries are being transformed by AI. Healthcare, finance, transportation, and even entertainment are seeing major changes. In healthcare, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases faster. In finance, it detects fraud and manages investments. The key is to understand how your industry is changing and adapt accordingly. It's not all doom and gloom. While some jobs disappear, AI is also creating new opportunities. Roles like AI trainers, data analysts, and robotics technicians didn't exist a decade ago. The workforce is shifting, and those who are willing to learn new skills can find exciting new careers. The best way to future-proof your career is to keep learning. Upskilling means acquiring new abilities that are in demand, such as coding, data analysis, or digital marketing. Many online courses are available, making it easier than ever to stay relevant. The willingness to adapt is your greatest asset. Don't underestimate the power of soft skills. Communication, teamwork, and adaptability are highly valued in the modern workplace. These are areas where humans excel and AI still lags behind. By strengthening your soft skills, you make yourself indispensable, no matter how advanced technology becomes. The future of work isn't about humans versus machines, it's about collaboration. Many jobs will involve working alongside AI, using its strengths to complement your own. This partnership can lead to greater efficiency and innovation, as long as you're open to change. Education systems are also evolving to meet the demands of an AI-driven world. Schools and universities are introducing courses on coding, robotics, and digital literacy. Lifelong learning is becoming the norm, and those who embrace it will have a competitive edge. Governments and policymakers play a crucial role in managing the impact of AI on jobs. They can support workers through retraining programs, social safety nets, and regulations that ensure ethical AI use. Public policy will shape how smoothly society transitions into the AI era. As AI becomes more powerful, ethical questions arise. Who is responsible if an AI makes a mistake? How do we ensure fairness and prevent bias? These are important issues that require careful thought and regulation. The human role in overseeing AI will remain essential. AI impact on jobs isn't the same everywhere. In some countries, automation is rapidly changing industries, while in others, the effects are slower. Global collaboration and knowledge sharing can help ensure that the benefits of AI are distributed fairly and that no one is left behind. Change can be unsettling, but it also brings new opportunities. the key is to stay flexible and proactive. By embracing lifelong learning and being open to new experiences, you can navigate the changing job landscape with confidence. Many people have successfully transitioned into new roles thanks to AI. For example, former factory workers have become robotics technicians, and customer service agents have moved into AI training roles. These stories show that with the right mindset and training, it's possible to thrive in an AI-driven world. The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear: AI will continue to shape the world of work. By staying informed, learning new skills, and embracing change, you can prepare yourself for whatever comes next. The journey may be challenging, but it's also full of potential. Will AI replace your job? The truth is, some jobs will disappear, but many more will change or even be created. The most important thing is to stay adaptable, keep learning, and see AI as a partner, not an enemy. By doing so, you'll not only survive the AI revolution, you'll thrive in it.